Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. And I'm Rachel. So I like to show you how to make some popcorn chicken in the deep fryer. And we're going to turn that into a popcorn chicken and salad. So I got a batter for the, why don't I just show you, okay? That way you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Check out my links below, okay? Thank you. Okay, so what I have here is some chicken. I cut the dark meat off of chicken drumsticks. So I just have pieces here, which is going to be our popcorn chicken. This is an egg, 2 eggs with seasonings. Okay, we're going to add some milk to this to make an egg wash. And this is seasoned flour, okay? Here's our seasonings that I used already on all 3 products. Garlic, adobo, sassoon everything, and black pepper. Okay, so let's get started. I have our oil already heating up. So we're going to put a little milk in the egg, 2 eggs, just a little, maybe 5 or 6 tablespoons full. I'm just going to mix that up. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip the chicken into the egg wash and then into the flour. Let me see how I want to do that. Nope, I want to do it another way. I want to dip the chicken into the flour and then into the egg wash and back into the flour. Now let's see if I can remember that. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna get the chicken all battered with the flour. Now we're gonna put it in the egg wash. All right. I'm just gonna mix it up. Let me show you. The chicken is in the egg wash, okay? Now we're just gonna mix that in. Get the egg all over it, egg wash all over it. Okay, now that it's saturated, we're gonna put it back in the flour. Like this, and then into the fryer later. How about that? So I'm just going to sit it here a minute because I want them all to be cooking at the same time. If I can, if I have enough room in the fryer later. So what happens when you put the flour on first and then into the egg wash and back into the flour, it puts a nice coating on it, a crispy coating on it. So it looks like I'm going to have to cook 2 batches. Okay, let me let you see that. So you see that has the batter on it now. So now we're going to drop it in the fryer later. Okay, let me wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my tongs. I'm just going to finish battering the balance of the chicken here. Okay, that's all battered. Let me wash my hands. Okay. When you're cooking the fryer later, you want to wait until the chicken rise up to the top. That's a good indication that it's probably done. Okay, I'm going to put the chicken on this mesh that came out of my air fryer right over a plate like this. That's to catch the drippings. Okay, I used to use a paper towel, but I find the paper towel will saturate the bottom of the meat, so I don't want it saturated. I want it all nice and crispy since I went through the effort to make it nice and crispy. Okay, I have my thermometer here. I'm going to check the temperature. We're looking for 165. Okay, let me check the temperature. I'm going to put it through a couple of pieces because they're small. I'm good. I'm past 165. So I'm going to take these out and I'll put the balance in. Okay, the balance is in. Why do I give you the word of the day? Okay, the word of the day. The word of the day is celebration. So it's time to celebrate your birthday, your anniversary. Maybe you got a new job. Maybe you got a new child. Celebration. So maybe when you have your celebration, you don't get any gifts, you don't get no recognition, no one is praising you. And so it feels less than a celebration to you. Listen, celebrate yourself. That's right, celebrate yourself, because you of all people should be celebrating first. So get your balloons, get your whatever you want to treat yourself, a gift or something. Get you a cake, flowers, get whatever you need to celebrate you. And don't look at it as a waste of money or time. It's not. Because when you see it, you know that you have just celebrated yourself. So go ahead, celebrate on yourself. That's the word of the day. Okay, so now let's check on our popcorn chicken that is now finished. And we're going to combine it into a salad. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here's what our popcorn chicken looks like. This was 5 chicken drumsticks that I cut the meat off the drumsticks. Now that's a lot, right? Okay, so now we're going to make it into a salad. So I have some baby spinach here, some tomatoes and cucumbers. So let me see how I want to do it. I think I want to put the chicken on next. Okay. Then I want the cucumbers and the lettuce, the cucumbers and tomatoes on next. Then I want some more chicken. Look at that, guys. Oh my, my, my. Put some more chicken around here. Oh, look at that. Okay, now we're going to celebrate it with some croutons and honey mustard. I have some Caesar croutons. Wow. And now we're going to pour some honey mustard right over the top. Oh, that's new. I need to open that. Okay, so we have our honey mustard. Look at that. Does that look good? Okay, so let me taste that for you. Okay, guys, let me taste. Look at that, would you? Wow. Okay, let me get the cucumber or tomato. And that popcorn chicken. Mmm. All the chicken. Juicy, crispy, and tender. Oh, very good. And that honey mustard put the icing on the cake. Really good, guys. You guys have got to try this. What a great meal. It's a light meal. And the kids will love it. And you can get them to eat their vegetables. Alright. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe. Talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.